Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, replaying a conversation over and over again? Or maybe you've spent hours analyzing a decision, afraid of making the wrong move, until the opportunity disappears. If so, you're not alone. Overthinking is a silent killer. It drains your energy, destroys your confidence, and keeps you trapped in a cycle of doubt and fear. But here's the truth. Overthinking is not intelligence. It's self-sabotage. And today, we're going to uncover exactly why it's ruining your life, and more importantly, how to break free. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to quiet your mind, trust yourself, and take action with confidence. Let's get started. Section 1. The hidden cost of overthinking. Overthinking feels like you're being productive, but in reality, it's paralysis disguised as preparation. Think about it. You hesitate before making decisions, and opportunities slip away. You analyze conversations, assuming the worst, and create problems that never existed. You plan endlessly but never take action, so your dreams stay just that, dreams. Overthinking is not deep thinking. It's fear. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of making the wrong move. But here's the truth. There is no perfect decision. Action beats inaction. Every time. Section 2. Why your brain overthinks. But why do we overthink? It comes down to survival. Your brain is wired to protect you from danger. Thousands of years ago, that meant avoiding predators. But today, your mind invents new threats. What if I fail? What if they don't like me? What if I make the wrong move? Your brain thinks it's keeping you safe, but in reality, it's keeping you stuck. Success doesn't come from safety, it comes from action. Section 3. How to break free from overthinking. So, how do you stop overthinking? Here are 3 powerful techniques to break free and start living with clarity and confidence. The 5-second rule. The moment you catch yourself overthinking, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then take action. This interrupts the thought loop and forces you to move before doubt takes over. Set a decision deadline. Overthinkers spend hours analyzing small choices. Instead, set a rule. I will decide in 2 minutes. The faster you decide, the less room overthinking has to grow. Shift from what if to what's next. Instead of asking, what if this goes wrong? Ask, what's my next step? Overthinking keeps you frozen in fear. Shifting your mindset moves you forward. Section 4. The power of trusting yourself. At the core of overthinking is a lack of self-trust. You don't trust yourself to handle failure. You don't trust yourself to make the right choice. But here's the truth. You are far more capable than you think. Mistakes, you'll survive. Failure, it's a lesson. Regret, it comes from inaction, not action. So the next time your mind starts spiraling, take control, make the choice, send the message, take the leap. Because overthinking is stealing your time, your energy, and your future, and it's time to take them back. Now here's my challenge to you. The next time you catch yourself overthinking, act immediately. Take the step, make the call, move forward. And if this message resonated with you, don't just listen. Take action right now. Hit that like button if you're ready to break free from overthinking. Drop a comment below. What's one decision you've been overthinking? Share it and commit to action. Subscribe to the Mind Forges for more insights that sharpen your mind and strengthen your spirit. Your future isn't waiting, it's created by what you do right now. Are you ready?